Today we're camping in
Ghost Valley.
Wipers. This is the portable washroom with Tita Reggie and Shaira. Sino sa loob?
Mama.
Si Barbie nasa tent oh.
Ano to? So this is our ano tawag doon? Bedroom. This is our bedroom. This is gonna be our kitchen. We're gonna put a lot of food in here. So it's easy access to the food. So that's why we put our tent in front of this one. So that's all for me.
Hey, everybody who wants to eat, let's go eat.
Stop bubbling yet. That one's off. Yeah, this one's the only one.
Look, Sapman.
Nilalamig si Ate Jera. So while we're camping, it's now snowing. Welcome to Canada. Kuya, anong tawag sa baril na to?
Ano to?
9mm?
Pero ano lang to? Hindi, bibigan lang.
BB gun? Yun yung target oh.
Oh, sir, oh.
Right now, we're going to the riverbed. Paakyat yan, no?
You scared?
Ito na ba yung riverbed?
Sa kabila.
Troubles at your door. Oh, come on, let's tell it time to go. Oh, if there's one thing that I know, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it through. One step becoming two. 'Cause as long as we are breathing, there's reason for believing. We're gonna make it through. There's nothing we can't do.
Magpuputol tayo ng mga camping logs today.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and they salute it.
Yeah, it's another day in the office. I've been warming up, so approach with caution. Yeah, up the heat, no cold feet, I'm locked in. Go against me, you might need a coffee. Where's the competition? Cause I don't see none. Matter of fact, there'll be none, so y'all can run the rerun. Show you how to work, I roll the sleeves up on my shirt. Built it from the ground, I had to rise from out the dirt.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and they salute it. Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise.
And that's our camping adventure for today. Some will stay and some will go home. I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.
I divide even. Eyes open to mind dreaming, I'm still scheming. I see trophies in the future, maybe even sooner, so I'm moving like a rumor. Showing how to work, I roll the sleeves up on my shirt. Built it from the ground, I had to rise from out the dirt.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and they salute